Hi. In the required reading, there is an image with the 21st century skills employers want across industries, and it lists 6 skills: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity, technology media literacy, and leadership. In my current role as a CTAE teacher, we have heard the exact same thing from members of our local advisory committee. And I started to think, okay, what can I do better? How can I help my students be better communicators, collaborators, and in turn become better leaders and use the technology that we have available in our classroom? I had a conversation with our work-based learning coordinator, and that led to a collaboration with our local Chamber of Commerce. My students had the opportunity to create questions for interviews with local business owners. And then we took field trips out into the community and they interviewed those local business owners while other students videotaped. And then we went back to the classroom and the students in teams edited those videos, and the best one was selected for each business. And then that was shared with the chamber, and they posted the videos on the chamber social media sites. And so it was a win-win situation. The students enjoyed it because, one, they got out of the classroom. Two, they got behind a camera. They learned some new skills there. And some of the students stepped outside of their comfort zones. They were shy, but they began talking with others and they took on different responsibilities. And then when they saw their videos actually displayed, it gave them a sense of pride, and they learned more about their community. So I share all that because when I am in my new role as a librarian, I want to help the teachers and the students with technology in the classroom and outside the classroom. I want to build relationships with the teachers in the building as well as the students. I want them to know that I'm there to support them in any way that I can. And technology is not going anywhere, but I don't want it to just be something that's added to as a burden. Here's a new tool. Let's try this today. I want the teachers to see the benefits of using a particular piece of technology. With the videos, for instance, the kids are constantly making TikToks. So why not put a camera in their hands and have them create a video about a character in a book or someone from history, and give them a little bit of motivation to do an assignment and to learn about this person. Perhaps podcasts. I would love to create I would love to have a studio in the library where teachers could bring their students to create podcasts. I want students to enjoy coming to school, and I want them to enjoy learning. And I feel like by using the tools that we have, will help students to learn. They can be used to help them become better communicators, better leaders, and they certainly can collaborate to create projects and create authentic products that they can have a sense of pride about. And in doing all of that and using these tools, that will give them tools that they can use in their future jobs, no matter what direction they go.